õnnelikud Ott and Martin.
Dear Ott and Matti, since you first joined Hyundai Motorsport, you give to us 8 wins.
Sealhulgas aastal 2020 toimunud Rally Estonia esimese võidu,
including your fantastic home win on Rally Estonia,
28 podiums,
and more than 180 stage wins.
meil kõigil on olnud au olla osa teie WRC teekonnast.
It has been a pleasure to be part of your WRC journey.
You've been part of some very special moments
Yes, it has been a few spins.
and heartbreaks along the way.
Me kõik teame, kui oluline on teie mõlema jaoks pere.
We all know how important the family is for both of you.
It's really all down to my wife, and she's been supporting me so bad, and yeah, I'm really proud of her, and I love you so much.
So we hope you both enjoy these moments away from the service park.
Ja loodame teid mõlemad peagi taas ralliradadel näha.
We hope to see you back on the stages Sunday.